Alright, we're trying Knox. Drag race! It's been a while. Happy New Year! Oh. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We're just going to do some quick maintenance on her today, throw on some fresh WARP9 pegs, and go for a rip. Stick around to the end to find out how you guys can win another pair of WARP9 bars. So I just literally have Dawn dish soap in a spray bottle because I'm cheap, and it does the job. And we're going to clean the chain while we're here too. Make sure we get all the tiddly bits. That's it. That's all you gotta do to clean your chain. Spray it on, scrub it, rinse it off. Damn! Throw on these WARP9 pegs, super easy. Pop out the C-clip. Now the spring part's gonna be the difficult part. Just like that. They always ask me, Hansi, how'd you get so frosty? No one's ever asked me that. Oh, everything was going perfect. Come on. Feel like we're almost there? Oh, in there like swimwear, boys. Dunzo.
Yep, I'm saying like bing, bop, boom, 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 bop, bam. The type of shit I'm on you wouldn't understand.
What's good, guys? Right before we go on our ride, I do have to swap out my rear pads. Pads on the throne are pretty much gone, so I'm gonna go ahead and swap these out, and then we'll get to the ride. Yeah, about a half left, so actually not as bad as I thought. What's good, YouTube? We are finally back on the bike. We are back with another video, giving away another pair of WARP9 bars again in purple. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out how you guys can win that some freshy WARP9 pegs. I've gone through the dirt a little bit. It was looking so fresh. Oh, these guys want to run it? Should we race them? I think my pegs make me faster. What's good? Drag race. Good. Good. Been a while. Happy New Year. We're back with a new video and another opportunity to win a pair of WARP9 bars, but this time in purple. Got new pads on. I'm trying to kind of bed them in a little bit before we go out and explore this nippy afternoon. I'm going to be trying out a bunch of different style of content this year. You're probably wondering, holy shit, the helmet came off in the last video, and it took a lot for me to really put that out, just to show my face. I figured there's a lot of, I don't know if I like these bars like this or not. There's a lot of YouTube channels out there that are faceless channels, and you know, they do well, and I like a lot of them, but I feel like, I don't know. I felt extremely vulnerable putting my face out there. Obviously, I'm way more comfortable with the helmet on, so I am probably gonna be a 50-50 channel. So half the times you'll see my face in certain types of videos, and most of the times you won't. So that's gonna be my MO, because that's what I like to do. Yeah, this is just an initial ride of the WARP9 pegs. Literally, it's late in the day. Threw them on, got the bike cleaned up, and she's looking so nice, and she's about to look so dirty in a minute. And so far, I really like them. They're really grippy, and that's exactly why I wanted them. But I can like hold on better with my feet now, because I have way more surface area, and it's so much grippier. Where the stock pegs, I felt like I was just like bird clawing it the whole time, just trying to hold on. Caveat to it, I kind of feel like they're gonna get me in some shit. Like I'm gonna get caught up where like I need to get my leg off the peg, and like I'm too locked in, if you know what I'm saying. Scope this out, because I've been having issues with Scurdy. I feel like they're petty enough to fucking put some nails in here or something, you know? I'm just gonna eye it real quick. Yeah, I'm trying to learn color grading, gang. So if you guys are wondering what is up with my videos, inconsistency so far of the different colors that I'm using, just give me some time. Your boy's learning a new skill, and it takes time to master. So that's what I'm going to be working on this year, is cinematography and color grading and overall just video editing. Feels Gucci. Oh yeah, these pegs are sick. See, I don't know what the fuck that was, and I didn't see it till the last minute. I don't know what that is. It's kind of dull enough to pop some shit, but oh yeah, that's falling. Yeah, dude. Oh yeah, I'm rocking her. Oh, my headlights on? The fuck? Dude, I haven't been on my bike in 3 weeks. I forgot where shit's at. Yeah, I took the front fender off, dude. I don't know. I was looking at it. The only complaint I have about the Serpent is the plastics. One, stickers, like, hold on, let me get some B-roll with my phone. Crazy, scary, spooky, hilarious. Crazy, scary, spooky, hilarious. Alright, I'll use that. Yeah, so I took the front fender off. Just to kind of see what it would look like. I don't know, it gave me Talaria vibes. And with the new headlight, I really liked the Drift 8 number plate that I got, but I couldn't tilt down anymore because of the metal stuck out too much. So I couldn't adjust it down, and like the light was fine where it's at, but if it was just a little more angled down, it would have been perfect. So I swapped out to the ODI plate. Eventually I'll take the Drift 8 plate, and I'll just cut out where I need to cut out, because it marked it up, so it kind of made a perfect template for me where to cut. So eventually I'll do that. Rotated the bars forward, clean the chain, new rear brakes, lube the axle, new pegs. It's pretty much how we're starting the new year. Oh yeah, and we did a little mud flap delete, something a little subtle, but just enough where it's just a little touch of flavor. I didn't really like the mud flap. It didn't really do anything for the shock anyway. Still got covered in dust, so I just trimmed it up. I am digging this no front fender. We'll just see once we get out, like an off-road, how bad it's gonna be flinging shit up. I need to figure out how to wheelie, like standing up. I might be heavy on the brakes. Looks like other people have done it already. It's down here. I didn't know there's a fucking trail down here. It's always been here? I guess they're gonna send it. It's a curb. Oh, that was cool. Holy shit, this thing's empty? What? What happened? Unless they're sending water to LA, which I don't know if that's a thing all the way over here, but prayers out to you guys. I kind of do like a rolled forward now. I don't really know. Oh, that was sketch. Yeah, the pegs definitely grip you on. It locks my fucking foot in. So yeah, definitely stick around to the end so you can find out how you guys can win a pair of these WARP9 bars in purple. When I got them in, man, I was like, dude, the purple looks sick. Be switching up the colors all the time, so let me know in the comments down below too what color I should give away next. Makes it easier for me picking colors, because right now I'm picking whatever looks dope. Dude, these new pegs are holding up pretty fucking well. Normally my feet will slip and lift off a lot. These ones are keeping me locked in, and I like it. They're probably like, what the fuck is that thing? That's a big dip. Woo. Oh, I love it. I kind of do like the bars rolled this way now. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of do like my bars rolled forward a little bit now. And the no fender. There's something about it. I don't know what it is. Maybe because I can see. Solid. Count for the wheel spin. There we go. There we go. Ah! Yeah, I'm rusty, gang. I'm rusty. 4 weeks without riding? God damn, it catches up to you. Let's do this little hill climb right here. We're taking the outer. I don't want to go through that. What we got? Glass bottle. Papers launch off that though. Is it dry over here too? Holy shit. It's dry as fuck, boy. Hey, fat boy. Fat boy. I am using my front a lot more because I don't want to overcook my rear just yet. She is not ready for it. Yeah, it's not really locking yet. Oh, it feels good to be making videos again. I haven't made videos in 4 weeks, haven't ridden in 4 weeks. Just making a video was so much harder getting back on the saddle this time just because it's like the ideas weren't flowing, the habit was broken, just a lot of facts, a lot of factors affected me trying to make content again. It always makes me wonder what the big YouTubers go through, because you know they don't show that side of it, but I'm sure they go through it. Even if like me with like barely 280 subs that I'm extremely grateful for, it stresses me out trying to make a video sometimes, man. Just trying to come up with an idea, thumbnails, and then getting lost in all the other shit, and then getting down to the creative side is the part I love doing. It's just all the other stuff that comes with it makes it extremely difficult sometimes. So I've decided I'm done with the rat race that I was following in 2025, and I'm just gonna make content that I want to make. Dude, what are they building over here? I'm scared. I don't want to get a nail. I took old Pete's house. Built this little path to get up. That's sick. You never know what you're gonna find. This is what makes e-bikes cool as shit, gang. Here is the famous fucking dam I ate shit at. Oh, I didn't go up here last time. Oh god, that feels trippy. Sketchy. Yeah, I'm terrified of heights, gang. That is fucking terrifying to me. Oh man, that gave me the heebie-jeebies. Alright, we're trying knee knocks. It's probably not a good idea, but I just really need to know what it feels like. So right now I'm just cruising with my knee up on the seat just to kind of get used to it. I found out my foot on the left is better for me than the right. The right just feels weird. Alright, let's try a little one. Okay. Okay. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Alright, alright. That was scary. God damn, that was scary. I can't believe I did a mini knee knock. I'll take it. Try a little one here. A short gap. There you go. I'm stoked. That's cool. Now I just gotta keep working at it. That's sick! This is why I love riding e-bikes and practicing. Oh god, oh god, I did not see that. Oh! Reverse, gang. So far, man, I am locked in. Feels great. Alright, back to hyper. Oh, that was gnarly. God, there's a big ass dip right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, these pegs are eating this up. I gotta be careful here though. There's a lot of debris. Oh. Single track's so much fun. So yeah, gang, just simple, quick mod you guys can do in like 20 minutes. We'll see how they hold up after after a few bangs and scrapes. On the Throne Serpent, at least, if you are curious what pegs fit this bike, Surron Light BX pegs fit perfectly. Oh, we're at the jump. Let's do it one more time. In BMX spot. Center a little too hard there, bud. Alright, gang. That's going to be the end of the video. I really appreciate you guys watching. Remember to lock in with the comments that you would rock these bars to be entered to win the purple pair of WARP9 bars. Announcing the winner next month, February 10th. And yeah, I'm going to go fuck off now.